get our tools. Get a hammer. Another hammer. Appropriate screwdriver. What else do we need?
That it?
Loctite. Assembly lube.
Are they tools? Are they considered tools or?
Well, you can't put the out and stuff. So.
Sure.
Does the finger count?
Absolutely.
It's a tool.
Yeah.
So sleeve retainer Loctite on guide. Not in guide stem hole though. I still got left some. That's enough. Stuff's expensive. Someone said Loctite was very expensive now. I didn't know it was ever cheap. Maybe they're used to buying Permatex, now they find out what real stuff costs.
All right.
That's why I become using my stuff, I get testy at times. Go buy your own crap. Okay, what head is this? What head's this one? I'm getting confused.
The other one.
Oh, the other one. It's the front one. Front, rear. See how that works? Which one do you want to do first?
Rear, apparently.
Rear. What's that?
Intake.
Red stuff.
Some assembly lube.
Ah, there you go. With MPZ in it.
Ooh.
Multi-purpose zinc. Is that what that means?
Sure.
Nope. M is for moly.
Mm.
Rotate as it goes in to help dissipate the oil evenly. P is probably phosphorus and Z is probably zinc. Okay, that one's done. Where's the other one? Oh, I lost it. Rag.
Duty rag.
Let me get my clean rag. Okay. Turn the table off. Seals. They go on. Do not put the seal on before the collars go on.
Mm-hmm. You might struggle to get them on.
It'll be a problem putting this on
And the shim.
underneath there if it's already installed. So it goes like that. Then you put the seal on it. Just kind of wiggle around a little bit as it goes down. Steady pressure. Pops right on. Don't mix that things up either.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you want to. You beat on with a hammer. So yeah, this one. Smooth light hits, not heavy hits. Don't keep beating on it after it's all over. Okay, try to rotate it. If it rotates, pull it off as junk. Make sure the steel actually does something. That's not a joke either. If you go down too deep, buckle the seal up, it doesn't work.
Right.
So you want to make sure it does. So keep pushing on over here.
Mm-hmm.
And it finally goes through. So it works. Very important that it works. There's no valves in this one. What happened?
They're waiting. They're waiting.
He's already used. They're all scarred up. See, that's a better machine job. See how even it is?
Mm-hmm.
The other one's all squirrely. Extra oil. Save it for later. Clean rag. Special for you.
All right.
Okay, that's intake.
Mm-hmm.
It's exhaust.
There we go.
Exhaust. Mix up your parts. In this case, it's the same parts, so it shouldn't matter, but I checked it with these, so we use these ones. So you got the head flat on the table. Nice steady. Damn, all four good. Good. Let's get the steel up on it. Everybody's working. Black one. Oh, I forget what the black one went. Goes there now. Alright. We don't need this no more. Still need these two yet though. Okay, we need a tool. Which one? Nope. You're not pointing. No. Oh, the old one. The one that says 36 on it.
There we go.
Knucklehead parts. Alright, which head are we on now? We're on the front one. Springs are all the same because we purposely made them that way. Intake. Somewhere over there. We're hitting. See it pop? It's hitting on a cleaver on the inside of the groove.
All right.
Okay.
So why are we using the manual and not the
Different size.
Oh, okay.
This one's made to work on these springs. These are actually pretty large diameter springs, so it helps to use the correct tools.
Absolutely.
And see, it's fighting me too. So go deeper. It's fighting me. I'm doing something wrong. Plus, these are not normal keepers. They're thinner. And smoother. See how one in at a time?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it's in fully in the groove. And you unscrew it. Make sure both keepers are in there all the way. And don't look like that.
Right.
If it pops off and hits you, it will hurt.
You may lose an eye.
I don't know if it'll lose an eye, but it'll hurt. If it hits you in the eye, it's really going to hurt.
All right.
I don't know if you've ever been hit in the eye real hard, but it hurts. Feels like you get shot.
Being shot.
It feels like I'm being shot. Okay, see, that doesn't want to go in. See how it's way off center?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to move it over to the center. Well, it's not quite far deep enough, so give another turn. So you can see the keeper groove, but might not be enough. We'll see. It's like before, if it doesn't want to go in the hole, go deeper. See, it doesn't want to go in the hole. The keeper doesn't want to go in behind it, see, it won't fall in. It's hitting on top of the collar. It won't drop in. See it go down? Half a turn more. Now it's fully seated. So don't get a hammer out and start beating on it.
Right.
Even though we have the tools right here to do that. That is not what they're for. factory tool works pretty good.
Does.
Now you take this and hit on each keeper. If it doesn't pop off, it's good. Now I've had people piss and moan that I didn't have equal gap on both sides of the keeper.
Wow.
Yeah, geniuses. Yeah. Makes no difference on a taper. But they wanted me to do it that way, so I said, okay. Well, we just did it. I told them they're stupid, but whatever. What they wanted. So I do it 2 or 3 times to get it where it's just about perfect.
Right.
And they were happy. Just never look at it again because it won't be there next time.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll change. We're hitting again. Just move my thumb and then it doesn't hit there. Enough. See, no grease, no oil. Just use your fingers.
People use the grease just to kind of tack it in place.
Little small ones, it's you gotta try to do something, make it stay in there. It's really hard. I haven't quite figured out how to do the small valve ones yet, the M8 stuff. I just fight. I don't like them. Pain in the butt. They got lots of fancy tools out there that are basically not available right now that you can try experiment with, but it's all said and done. It's a pain in the ass no matter which we do. It's on the groove again. Go deeper. Oop. One more. That should be enough. If you can see the bottom of the groove, that's enough. Goes in a lot easier. So you can wedge it in an angle a little bit, but it's better just to open it up, let it just drop right in there. You have to fight it. Good. That's good. You dumbass. These are both one keeper at a time, not both. Yes, I'm standing right in front of it, so it comes loose, it hits me and goes and hits you. Or the camera.
Alright.
Alright, so those are in there. Now you measure them with real tension on them, if you can actually see where the actual spring is at. Way down in there. It's hard to tell exactly, but looks like we gained about 15 thousandths more, but it's hard to get exactly down where you're at. But I'm not surprised if you gained a little bit. And neither one of these is really easy to measure. It's hard. I'm just kind of guessing where it is on the bottom down there, but this one's a little tighter. This is probably the one that was tight anyway. Sometimes these things will gain 20 or 30 thou. And when you gain about 20. But like I said, I'm guessing where the radius is at on down there. But it gained. It's like 490. Can't tell where that spring ends at. And it's definitely 375-ish area. So this one gained a little bit. The other one's a little tight, but the one was tight anyway, so it's consistent. So there you go. That's how you do that. We'll save these for an important job later.
Exactly. The race bike.
Okay, rock arms are next.